which is the guy of the video before, and no, dude, don't. In this video, I'll show you. No. Okay, sorry, I'm the real one. I don't know what, who, which, what that guy before was. I was saying, I mean, he was, okay. I'll show you how to survive open nature. I am the YouTube police. I've seen your videos, they are violent. I have to kill you. Oh yeah, let me call one second. Dlegend! Can you please come here 1 second? Dlegend. No, dude. I was joking. Ha! Good job, my friend. What? No. No. Don't. Yeah. Fine. No. No. Please. Thanks God, I keep some copies of myself here. So basically, what you have to do to survive nature is... Oh, what you're saying? Yeah, he didn't survive nature, it was just his garden. That's true, yeah. How to survive nature without equipment? What? He had equipment? Oh. What equipment did he have? Oh, yeah. The strongest weapon in the universe, yeah. So the video it does not exist. It ends here. Yeah. Sorry. Bye. I'm going away. Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to survive nature. No, he used the weapon. Yeah, that one. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Explosions, I guess. Yeah, explosions, yeah. Fottutissimo cazzo di...